User Interface Introduction. This icon indicates that the machine is currently operating normally. When it shows red, the production line speed may be too fast. Then need to adjust the production line speed. The middle one is the system time. We can click to modify the system time. This is the user level icon. The second column is Create File, Load File and Print Settings. Here is the system settings. This is the counter. This is the user level. This is the print status. Red means not working, green means working. When the ink volume reaches the alarm value, it will be displayed in yellow. Then this column, it is an information preview area. The content to be printed will be displayed on this interface. This is the area that displays the ink volume. It can display the estimated ink volume of print head. The column below shows the number of prints. This is the DPI. The higher the DPI, the clearer the print effect. This is interval. It refers to the inkjet time after the photocell sensor detects the object. The larger the value, the farther the trigger distance of the printing. This is Start Print. It shows green when not printing. When click Start Print, it will turn red.